If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Apex Legends, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the settings menu and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail to improve performance. Step 4. Change server region. If you're experiencing lag, try changing your server region in the game settings. Selecting a server closer to your location can help reduce latency and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Update drivers in game. Make sure your graphics drivers in the game itself are up to date. Check for updates to your graphics card software and the game launcher. Keeping everything updated can help resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Apex Legends. Happy gaming!